So hello my dear companions, how are you? Actually in this time you can see I am at here and this is petrol pump behind me, and this is something like a decorative area of this petrol pump. There is a green grass. So and there is a one thing that I want to share with all of you, that is due to my busy schedule I was not able to have some free space. That is why I could not prepare my English video, and when I was at home, so I decided today I will prepare my English video from something new location. So that's I have in this time. You can see behind me and in this area. So it is going to be completely useful and helpful video because there is something new. And what is new? Location, area and weather as well. This is a beautiful evening. Okay. So without further ado, let's get jump in English Ocean. Okay. So if you really want to improve your English accent and if you really want to learn English language like me, so I think you should watch this video completely till the end, so that you can have advantage and you can get idea how can you learn English language. Okay, and when it comes to English language, speaking in English, so let me tell you one thing. I think I'm not saying you must learn English language. Okay, this is not necessary, but this is very necessary in this time because this is 2023 and English has become very important part of our career, our life. Okay, so actually I'm from India. I'm an Indian. I love my mother language, that is Hindi. Hindi is in my heart. I know I love Hindi, but I think I cannot become successful only with this my mother language. Okay, so that's why I had to learn English, and really I want also you should learn English so that you can build your career successfully. Okay, so I think I should start this video, and in this video first of all we are going to discuss how should we learn English. Okay, what kind of plan, what kind of fundamental that we should have. So if you are beginner and recently if you have started learning English, so I think I have a very good and very easy key to unlock your English speaking fear. Okay, and that is, I think according to me, you should divide your English language into 4 parts. You know what is, how many? 4 parts. You know what kind of 4 parts? Okay, I'm gonna to explain everything so that you can easily learn English language. 4 parts. In 1 part, you have to learn only simple sentences and some small concept of English grammar like keep and use of there. That's it. Okay, I think it will be good enough. In 2nd part, you have to learn tense, and always remember, always keep in your mind, learning tense is very necessary, very mandatory to learn English language, because without having knowledge of tense you cannot become fluent speaker ever and ever. Okay, so anyhow at any cost you have to improve your tenses, you have to learn tenses anyhow. This is very necessary. This is like our backbone. If you want to stand up, I think your backbone should be in working condition. So that's why, like your I think tenses is the backbone of English language. Okay, it is like a heart. Without heart can you live? No. So that's why. So learning a tenses is very necessary. Okay, so in part 1 you have to learn tenses. Okay, and simple concept like there and something other concept. And in the 2nd part you have to learn some conditional sentences and some modals. I am not suggesting to you that you should learn whole grammatical concept, because there are many grammatical concepts, and I think you may have lot of confusion. Okay, so I think only you should have some important ideas about grammar, about grammatical concept, so that you can use English accent without any hesitation and with full confidence. Okay, so that's why I'm suggesting to you from my past and present experience. Okay, so what was the part 1? In part 1 you have to learn simple sentences and some small concept like use of keep, use of there. Okay, use of it. Okay, because these are important concepts. And in 2nd part you have to learn completely about knowledge of tense. Okay, your whole tenses should be absolutely clear, so that easily you can understand and you can prepare, you can make sentences about any situation. And 3rd one is you have to learn passive, yeah, active passive, which is called voice also. So I think if you are academic student, so maybe you have idea about a passive voice sentence, and maybe also you know very good how to make and how passive sentence is being used and how passive sentence is used. So if you know, it's a very good thing, but if you don't know, I think you should improve only and only by practicing and observing some rules of passive voice. So this is very mandatory, this is very important concept that you have to prepare at anyhow. Definitely you will take I think you will take a much time, but don't worry, if you are going to have a long time, so it's okay. Definitely you will become a good English speaking person, but to become a successful person, to be succeed in life, so anyhow you will have to spend time. So don't worry about time, okay? You have a entire life. Yeah, why are you worrying? God has given you a many years. Okay, so it was a part third which we were talking about that, and in part third also I have told you what you have to do, and now we are going to part 4, last but not the least. In the part 4, you have to revise all 3 concepts that you have learned so far, and you have to learn some new words. You have to make a strong vocabulary section, so that whenever you are going to use English sentences, you should have necessary words. Okay, you should not be stuck by the lack of words. So that's why you have to improve your vocab section, so that you can make a English sentence easily. Okay, without fumbling and without getting stuck. So if you have a strong vocab section, so definitely it will help you to make and to give you ideas. So I think this was my suggestion about how English language is learned. Okay, and if you do not have any one partner, with whom you can have a English conversation, you can have English practice, so do not worry, you can improve English knowledge on your own. Okay, so you should talk about your habits, your action, your daily schedule. I think it will be good, it will be a good kind of practice. So I think instead of finding a new person, I think you should talk with yourself. Okay, so and same thing that I did, and that's why I improved my English language, and that's why I improved my fluency, as you are watching in this time by this video. And one more thing that I got right now in my mind, if you have not subscribed my channel so far, so my hand is paining, that's why I have to change my hand. So if you have not subscribed my channel so far, so please subscribe my channel right now, because always I keep on making useful and English helpful video, so that you can easily learn without paying any cost, because my all videos are absolutely free. You don't have to pay anything, only you have to learn, you have to pay your attention. Okay, so once you learn English, I think you feel entire world is yours. I think whole people on this planet are yours. You can do anything, you can talk to anyone, you can have interaction from any person, okay, from every side of this world. So that's why English is very necessary, because when you learn English, so you feel how world is amazing, how people are fantastic. So that's why you should learn English. Okay, so I think in this time I don't have much thing to share in this video, so I think I should close this video. Only I was checking to make video at this outside area, that's why. And I think really I have given you a very important and useful tips. If you follow my tips, definitely you will be English speaking person. So bye for now. Very soon I'm gonna to meet you in my next video, and please subscribe my channel, and don't forget click the subscribe button down below, and I'm gonna to meet you in my next video very soon. Till then, have musty, have delicious food, and keep learning. And bye for now. Love you guys, you are rocking super. God bless you. Bye bye.